I guess because this has multiple uses, but no, it's 4 brushes in 1 brush. Hey besties, and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing the February 2022 Boxycharm base box. I'm so excited, you guys. Personally, I'm really hoping we have some Valentine's Day products in there, some pinks, some reds, some burgundy tones. If we don't, I'm going to be a little disappointed, not even gonna lie. If you guys don't already know what Boxycharm is, basically Boxycharm is a monthly subscription where you pay $27.99 a month and you get 5 full-size products that usually retail over $175, or excuse me, up to $175. So I'm so excited to share with you guys what comes in here. Also, they're always full size. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, if the card isn't Valentine's Day themed, I'm gonna be really like surprised. I bet that it will be though. Here we go. This is the Boxycharm Be My Glamentine. Aw. Okay, so we do have a Valentine's Day card, and then on the back, you guys already know, it shows what products you get along with their descriptions and price points, which of course we'll go over, and I'll let you know what everything was added up at the end as well. Ooh, I see at the top of the list we got something from Saturday Skin, which is a brand that I've always been really curious about, but have just never bought anything from, so let's see what that is. Woo! We do have something from Saturday Skin, you guys. This is the Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream. I'm so excited to try this out. I've heard such good things about this brand in general. This is what the outside packaging looks like. And you guys, this product alone is $32, which is already more than the entire box alone. Let me go ahead and open up. You guys already know I love skincare, and honestly, skincare is my favorite thing to get in the boxes. Let me go ahead. It smells like an eye cream, and this is what it looks like. Isn't the top so cute? It's like a little orange. I think that is so adorable, and it's holographic, which it's the little things, you know, that really keep you intrigued with products. And then you see the Saturday Skin logo right there. I will say I'm so sorry about my nails, you guys, because I just dyed my hair on camera. It's actually on my channel right now if you guys want to watch that video. But because of that, I really need to give my fingers a good scrubbing because they're looking rough right now, so I'm so sorry about that, you guys. It says a buttery eye cream with an infusion of yuzu fruit, a rich vitamin C citrus, combined with targeted ingredients such as an active vital complex and niacinamide. So it says it's going to improve moisture retention, hydrate, and blur the appearance of fine lines. So I really love the last eye cream I got in my box. It was like from Algenist. I've been using that really often, and I really love it, especially when I'm feeling super dry on my under eyes. So definitely excited to play with this one because this is a brand that I've heard so many good things about. So I'm super excited to play with that, you guys. So next up we have the OPV Beauty Loose Setting Powder, $22. I've never really played with anything from OPV Beauty, I don't think. This is what the packaging looks like. Super cute, black and white. Translucent. I do like translucent or like light powders. So let me go ahead and open this up. Ooh, the packaging on top is nice. That's pretty. Oh, you guys can see like my whole setup. That's so cool. Okay. Oh, it's like frosted. It's like frosted. I love the packaging of this. This is very beautiful. Okay, and then as you guys can see, you just take the little seal thing off and then boom, that's it. So, oh, it's not even like focusing. Let me see. It's pretty standard. I did actually just open it up too, and I did put it on my under eyes, so I think it looks good. I just need to play with it a little bit more to give a better opinion. You know, I like to play with setting powders a few times before I do give my final opinions on them, just because trying it one time is not good enough, babe. But if you did want my first impression opinion, I think it is good so far, but I just need to play with it more, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, besties, so far so good with that. Then what else do we have? I don't see anything on this table that looks Valentine's Day-esque. So then we have the Clara's New York Stimulating Retinol Facial Serum, $24.99 right here. Looks like this. Retinol serum. I don't have any retinol serum, so this is just great for me. I'm so excited about this. Oh, this is $24.99, you guys. I actually think I've tried this brand before and liked it, but I actually can't remember. I think I have though. Probably from a Boxycharm. Go ahead and open it up. And then boom. Boom. It looks so professional and sophisticated. Boom. So let's go ahead and read the claims on this bad boy. It says a 96% blend of retinol and vitamin E oils intensively stimulates and moisturizes quenched skin. I do have quenched skin. So retinol provides anti-aging effects by acting as a targeted treatment, promoting skin cell renewal and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Antioxidant-rich vitamin E hydrates while providing anti-aging benefits such as improved cellular strength and elasticity. Use daily for a brighter complexion. So that sounds amazing. I mean, those were a lot of claims, huh? So I'm gonna have to play with this and definitely let you guys know what I think. It says natural's 96%, which is really amazing. I don't know though. I have never tried anything like this. So definitely let me know down in the comments below if you've tried this brand, if you've tried this product, and what you think. Because so far I can't really say too much about it because I've never tried one of these kind of serums before. But I am excited. I am very, very excited. So that's great to get, especially because I don't have anything like that in my own skincare collection, you know? Then we have the Alley Oop Multitasker 4-in-1 Makeup Brush, which is $28, which looks like this. I've never tried anything from the brand, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. That kind of reminds me of, like, you guys know the meme, like the Anna. Ooh, that's kind of what this reminds me of. Oh, okay. I've never liked stuff like this. I probably will never use this side, just so you guys know. I don't know. Maybe it's like it feels like a beauty blender a little bit. Maybe I would. I don't know. It looks like a little eggy guy. So then we have this side of the brush. This I actually would get a lot of use out of just because of the shape for like contour, bronze, all that good stuff. Even like a good blushy moment. I definitely will use this side, and it feels soft. So maybe I won't use this side, but I definitely will use this side. Let me read you the claims. An award-winning multitasker brush combined with the 4 most essential makeup applicators, including a sponge, blush, brow, and eyebrow brush. This compact game changer is all you need for a full face on the go or at home. Each is made of premium synthetic fibers. Wait. Brow. Y'all, stop it. Guys, I'm like reading it. I think I like stuttered while I was reading it because I was confused, but yo, look at this. So it is like a sponge, so maybe I will use this. I'm not sure though, but like, dude, look at this. What? That is so cool for on the go. Are you joking? Oh my goodness, what the freak? Okay, so then I'm saying freak, you guys, not the F word, but then you open this side up and you have like a little shadow brush. Bro, this is so cool. I wish it was more of like a blender, like puffy brush, to be honest with you. But oh my gosh, who thought of this? This is awesome. Like this thought, like this idea, this invention, like what the 4-in-1? That is amazing, because I was kind of like confused when I did read it, like, you know, 4-in-1, and then I saw this, but I was like, well, at the same time, like a sponge has multiple different ways you could use it, and so does this brush. I think like 4 or 5 different ways to use this specific brush. But the fact that you get an eyebrow brush in there and an eyeshadow brush, like, whoa, mind blown. Good job, Boxycharm. I was upset that you didn't put anything Valentine's Day in here, but this to me is worth it. Okay, so what do we have next? We have one more item. Wow, we have the Bali Balm Pineapple Lip Scrub. Oh, I've been wanting another lip scrub because I just got this one that I don't really like a lot. This is the Pineapple Lip Scrub packaging right there. And then we're going to open it up. And, oh, this is pretty. I like this packaging. It gives me like mature vibes, you know? So then, oh, it does smell like pineapple, but like in a really good way. You guys, I actually have a pineapple one from ColourPop, and that one doesn't really give me pineapple like this one is giving me pineapple. This one is actually giving like straight up the fruit. Ooh, I'm super excited to try this one. It feels good too. Ooh, should I read the claims? You guys basically get what it is. It's $23, by the way, and it's the Rich Indulgent Sugar Scrub packed with juicy pineapple fragrant and exfoliating sugarcane crystals to gently buff and polish away dead skin cells. So basically just what any scrub would do, but nonetheless, this smells amazing, and I'm actually like, I want to eat it. It's making me want to eat pineapple, so you know, do with that what you will, but it smells amazing. And so you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and actually count up everything, like add everything together and come back with the overall total. But oh my goodness, I am still on this brush, besties. Like, what? So the overall total of the whole box is $129.99, and mind you, again, you pay $27.99 for the whole box. So is it worth it to me to get $100 basically for free? Yes. Is it worth it for you? It's just depending. Let me show you guys the things that I personally think are worth it. This, worth it. Worth it. This is amazing. Like, even just the thought of this is just so freaking cool to me. The serum, worth it. The lip scrub, worth it. The eye cream, worth it. And then the powder is the only thing I'm unsure about, just because I have so many powders that did I necessarily need this? No, but am I happy to have another product from a brand that I don't own any products from? Absolutely, and I'm super excited to keep playing with this because the packaging is just beautiful. If you don't have as many setting powders as I do, then you'd get one, and that would be great to have in your collection because it probably lasts you a long time. But yeah, you guys, I'm so excited to have all of these items. I am bummed that we didn't get an eyeshadow palette or any like Valentine's Day-esque products. That's the only thing, but I am happy with my box nonetheless. So thank you guys so much for watching. I do actually have a link I'll put it in the description with them if you guys want to use it. I do make a small commission if you guys do use it. That's entirely up to you and what you're comfortable with, but it does help me out, and I do think this is worth it. I mean, even on my own, I've been ordering this since like literally high school just because like I love this stuff, but I love the skincare more than the makeup. I've always said that. So if you're a skincare lover like me, I think you get the max use out of this. But yeah, besties, I had a really fun time sharing this stuff with you guys. I'm so happy I was able to not unbox it until I got behind the camera and talked with you guys and shared it with you guys. It was so fun. It's always so fun to do. And yeah, besties, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a like below, comment, all the good stuff. Subscribe. I'm like, why do I have 3 up? Subscribe if you want, but only if you like the content, and I'll see you in the next one, besties. Before I go, I just wanted to show you guys my love. Look at all the stuff we got. It's everything we got. Babe, look at how cool this brush is. Look, you open it up and there's like, I know. Look, and then the other side, there's another brush. That's so cool, right? Because they called it a 4-in-1. And I'm like, 4-in-1? I'm like, I guess because this has multiple uses, but no. No, it's 4 brushes in 1 brush.
That's freaking amazing.
Bye.
Bye.